Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the BOXYLUXE for June 2020. I have been looking forward to another Luxe month. So far, I feel like Luxe has been very lackluster. Maybe it has to do with COVID. Maybe it's just BOXYCHARM being BOXYCHARM. Whatever it may be, I just haven't been crazy about it. I feel like they've been taking more of the lifestyle approach, kind of like FabFitFun. That's the only other lifestyle box that I get, which is nothing against FabFitFun. That's why I get it. And I guess I have the expectation of BOXYLUXE just really being bougie, prestige makeup and skincare, whereas that's kind of where premium is focusing on, which is good because I do expect it to be a tier up from at least the base box. And with Luxe being $50 a month, I expect it to be mind-blowing, absolutely amazing, and not having this feeling of disappointed and money wasted. I will link my BOXYCHARM playlist to watch previous BOXYCHARM unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. I normally do a try-on haul for my BOXYCHARM Luxes. The spring and 2019's winter Luxe just really didn't have much try-ons, so I figured let's just go on ahead, get the makeup done. I am wearing two products that are actually in this box, and the only reason why I know that is because I got an email saying, hey, you have a repeat product, and I did see one of the spoilers as well on Instagram. Might as well put at least some of the products into work. BOXYLUXE is $50 a month. It replaces your base box for the Luxe months. I still do get one base box because I did not upgrade it to Luxe, so I will have a base box unboxing as well for the month of June. Let's see how Luxe is treating us. And we're just gonna open it up. All right, no black foam. We got some paper. Looks like the card's right here. And there's a Tarte palette right here. Let's start off with this palette, and I do want to just open it just to make sure nothing is busted. And based off of that, yes, it's going to be a giveaway item. Okay, it is in mint condition. That's what she looks like right here. I own this palette and it's actually on my eyes today. It is a very grungy, cool tone look, something that I rarely go for, but I'm low-key living for it. I took Fierce and Profesh in the crease, and then I took Trendy all over the lid, and then I smoked it out on the lower lash with Vamp, and inner corners isn't from this palette. It is actually Flexitarian from ColourPop. At the time when this palette was released, I thought it was a really pretty color story. It was something I never really reached for though, until today. And I think the only reason why I actually bought this palette, I know, Pops of Blue, Trendy. How could you not resist Trendy? It is a beautiful shade right there, and I think it is more of a duochrome. Sorry if I'm wrong, Millie. She's the multi-chrome queen if you have not checked her out. She is Bad to the Brow on YouTube and Instagram. I just adore her and admire her work so much. I figured let's just try it and see, and I absolutely loved it. Like, it's blue, but it also has like a brownish shift to it as well. I feel like, at least to me, that this palette is laid out, you know, each row creates a look, which is fine, but I like to mix and match. That's just how I like to do in palettes. Like, I think it's very helpful for like people that's starting out in makeup to have like row by row. Not to keep using Catherine as an example, but like this would be a perfect palette for her to help her create some looks. She loves the eye pictures that are numbered like 1, 2, 3, where you put each shade. I know Clinique did that for a while and it really helped her. That's what I think of this palette. Looking at this palette now, it's not something that I would have to drop everything that I'm doing and buy it. It's something that is really nice to be able to receive in a subscription like BOXYLUXE. I don't know, with Luxe, I think of like a bougie brand. Like, I want Natasha Denona in Luxe. Like, I could settle for something like this in premium though. And let's do some swatches. Classic, Innocent, Whimsy, Smoked, Ethereal. Vintage, Fierce, No Filter, Vamp, Glam. And this is the first 2 rows swatched. The ever-sabotaging thumb is so excited to be part of the swatch party. I figured to break it up into 2 rows since it is a 20 pan palette, and to fit 20 swatches on the arm can be a little bit challenging, especially how I do my swatches. They can get a little wonky here and there. But at least for the first 2 rows, everything swatched really nice. Both the mattes and the shimmers were really creamy. It translated really nice onto the lids. I will say the shimmer needed to be built up a little bit. I don't know if because it has like that duochrome effect, but the 2 mattes that I used blended out super effortless in the crease. Chick, Profesh, Mod, Drama, Minx. Indie, bold, edgy, punk, trendy. and this is the bottom 2 rows swatched. I am still obsessed with the shade Trendy. It is just absolutely stunning, and I've been loving duochromes so much that I almost spent $125 on the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2 palette, and I had to resist because I knew Millie was going to be doing a swatch video to try to dupe that shade, so I figured let me just buy a dupe and save myself $125. And it's very rare when I do resist, so this is a proud moment right here. After using it for the first time today, it blended out really nice, and I'm obsessed with the shade Trendy. I need to definitely keep it out a little bit more to play around with to get my final verdict, but if it's gonna perform like how the Tarte Toasted palette, which is my favorite Tarte palette of all time, I have confidence that this palette is going to work out for so many others. If you got this in BOXYLUXE or already previously owned it, let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. And back to the unboxing, this is what the rest of it looks like. We have my favorite brand in here, Miss KYLIE, but it's KYLIE Skin, and I haven't used KYLIE Skin yet. I've low-key been wanting to try it, and here's my chance. I am very excited because I remember Jeffree and Shane roasting it, and I feel like that's how my reaction is gonna be, but I do want to give her the benefit of the doubt. Even if a bitch uses filters, doing her skincare routine on Instagram, or creating a scrub that is going to eat and tear away at your face. Also, before I forget, because I will forget, the Tarte palette that will be placed in a future giveaway retails for $49, and it essentially pays for the entire box of BOXYLUXE, so you can look at everything else in the box being for free! One of my favorite 4-letter F words. So since we're already on the topic of Miss KYLIE, this is the KYLIE Skin Foaming Face Wash. You get 5 fluid ounces. It retails for $24. I actually think it's pretty fair for a face wash price. It's more affordable than the Elemis Foaming Face Wash that we got earlier this year, and that one smells like dirt. You know, I feel like KYLIE really could jack up the prices because of her name. And I think that's something I can kind of respect her on, is that she does keep it in like the more affordable range. Admittedly, I really thought her lip kits were very expensive at first. I'm like $30 for a lip kit. But then again, you get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick or even a gloss. I don't know what's in the lip kits. Never bought one. Probably never will. But I do like that velvet formula. Anyway, but like I feel like she really could have jacked this up to like La Mer prices or something, because she's Kylie freaking Jenner. She can do what she wants. But like I said, $24, that's pretty fair. It's around like the same price as like my old Henriksen green and orange tubes. I think those are about $28. And as much as you get, I think the price point and the amount of product that you get adds up. I'm not gonna use this on my face right now, but oh, a lot is pretty dispensed with one pump as well. I am there forever with that damn Elemis one. It's not the worst cleanser, it just smells like dirt and I can't stand the smell, but my face actually feels pretty clean after it. And I'm really skeptical about foams because foams are very difficult to formulate. Lathers up pretty nice. It almost feels like you don't even need water with it and it's still lathering up. It feels really nice actually on the hand. I mean, it's not my face, but it's my hand. And when you wipe it away, my hand actually feels pretty smooth, actually. Like, it feels hydrated. It just needs, like, the toner, moisturizer, serums to follow it. But, like, it feels clean compared to this hand. Like, this hand still feels pretty rough and dried out. And, of course, that's without any water. I just wanted to see how it felt. And I have no complaints so far. So I'll probably replace Miss Elemis Dirt with Miss KYLIE. Kind of see how it goes. Oh, wait, we got a KYLIE card. Oh, look at her. Oh yes, my face is so clean. Is that a filter? I'm just kidding. I'm just messing. But she really did use a filter on her skincare routine. Like, who does that? And I know some other shady bitches did it too. Like that girl from Pretty Little Liars and my other girl from Riverdale, the pretty one that plays Cheryl Blossom. She did something similar too. I'm like, why are you guys using filters over skincare? Like, who cares? We all have redness, pores. What are you hiding? Meanwhile, when I do skincare with the camera rolling, I look like fucking Shrek and Bob the Tomato because I'm having a bad reaction to a mask. The next product, which is why BOXYCHARM actually sent me a $12 coupon to use in add-ons because it's a repeat, is the No Problem Essence. And I actually really like this, but I have to resist and just pass it on to someone in a giveaway because it is really, really good. I love Touch in Sol so much, and I still have a tube. And this is from like last year's Luxe. That's how oldish this is getting to, but it expires in 2022, so I still have a lot of time to get my use out of it. I actually really like this, and it's not because I just love Touch in Sol so much, but it's actually a really decent product. I didn't use it as primer in today's look. It pairs really nice as well in the winter time with like a more tackier primer, like this being like your first layer and then going going in with a tackier primer. I was so confused by this at first because I'm like, wow, that's really runny. My dry skin absolutely loves this stuff, and it just soaks it in right there, and my hand feels incredibly smooth. I feel like it does really work well with foundations as well. Like, it's not breaking up in any areas. It's something that I feel like can be used in skin prep as well, because I know like TARTE has their Essence. There's some other brands that have Essences these days, so maybe it can be used for that, but I mainly use it for my makeup routine. It was buried in a drawer far, far away, and I'm like, I have to find this for this video and use it, and it retails for $23. Of course it retails for $23. Had to throw in good old Brock into this video. Every time I see the number 23, I automatically think of him. So the next two items were my choice items, and for Luxe you get about 1 to 3 different choice items. This month they had 2. The first category I chose by TULA Skincare, the Glow and Get It Cooling Brighten Eye Balm, and it retails for $28. For TULA, I thought that this one might have retailed for a little bit more, but you know what? I'm not going to complain because it is a more affordable eye creams, and some eye creams can be whack prices. QMS, like what, $200 eye cream or something, but you get 0.35 fluid ounces, and what the hell? Oh, this is just like a safety seal. I was like, wait, what kind of component is that? I guess I'm gonna go on ahead and just slide it. Oh, that actually feels really nice. What? Oh, wait. It feels nice to the touch. It's very deceiving. Like, it doesn't feel nearly as hydrating and soothing as it did on touch after you like rub it. I'm a little sad. I got really excited just to be let down. It's not the first time. I obviously need to try it with my skincare routine, but doing like a swatch, first impressions of it, not my favorite. The second choice item I chose from Smile Sciences, the teeth whitening set, retails for $80. My teeth better be pearly ass white if I'm spending $80. I don't know, is 2020 the year of the teeth whitening? Because Test Tube Beauty, I have received a lot of teeth whitening, and now BOXYCHARM's putting in it. I have some kind of feeling that FabFitFun put some like teeth whitening in as well. But we get 2 pens, $40 a piece. It's FDA registered, so if the FDA approves, you know it has to be legit. I have been wanting to do an Instagram challenge of just monitoring my results of using this teeth whitening pen, and it will also help me stay accountable, being consistent with it, because I can definitely see myself using it once and going, didn't do crap. Directions: brush, teeth, and floss. So I'm not gonna use these yet because I haven't done either of those yet. Twist pen to dispense gel. Smile wide to keep lips away from teeth. Dry teeth: the drier the teeth are, the better result. Apply a thin layer of gel to teeth. Keep off gums. Rinse after the Either way, it's gonna get on your gums if you're rinsing. For best results, do not rinse. Eat or drink 20 minutes after use to allow the whitening agent time to work. Temporary tooth sensitivity may occur. That was my biggest concern because I actually have very sensitive teeth. They have decreased in sensitivity over time because I stopped whitening them. Because there was a point in time, high school, where I was literally whitening my teeth like every week. And I guess my teeth really didn't need it then, but I always was afraid of drinking all the coffee that my teeth were gonna stain. I do have a dentist appointment coming up. After we're cleared, I think I'm gonna try these pens and even the ones that I got in Test Tube just to see. Next, by Billion Dollar Brows, we have the charcoal brush set. Bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. That is really cool because my brushes are not infused with charcoal. I'm sure there's a lot of microbes in there right now because I need to get cleaned. We have a powder, contour, concealer, eyeshadow, and highlighter brush. That's not bad for a 5-piece set, and this retails for $55. As much as I love brushes, I have a lot right now. I find myself just buying more brushes so I don't have to clean my other ones, which is very, very gross. So I'm actually gonna set this aside to be part of this lovely giveaway stack as well. Next, by MALIN and GOETZ. This is the Recovery Treatment Oil, and it retails for $82. I have tried this brand because I recognize this packaging. I got one of their eye creams in IPSY. Ooh, this actually looks pretty bougie. It reminds me of Dr. Dennis Gross. It's 1 fluid ounce. It's a fast absorbing treatment, synthesizes a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We all know I'm about some anti-aging. Your girl's approaching 30 in a couple years, so gotta get ready and prepped. I like that dropper bottle. Very precise drops. Okay, I feel like even one drop would have been enough. I feel like I have a lot on my hand. It smells like cleaning wipes. Clorox. Is that you? I feel like my hand absorbed it pretty quickly. It definitely feels very smooth. So I wonder how this will work with my skincare routine. These fine lines and wrinkles better go away. I know you guys are probably like, wrinkles who? Wrinkles under my eyes. And with all the lovely facial expressions I like to do, they're appearing on the forehead and around here from smiling too much. I am in need of some new facial oils, trying to conserve Miss Sunday Riley's UFO because it is my acne fighting one, but I haven't really been using a hydrating one because that's something I normally do in the winter time. But during the warmer months like summer, it's something that I kind of replace sleep masks, which why would I do that? That's my easiest form of masking. And then the last product by my favorite brand. All my favorite brands are just featured in this month's Luxe. BODYOGRAPHY. If you guys remember one of my BOXYCHARM videos long ago, I got a BODYOGRAPHY pencil in it, and it A, hurt my waterline, and 2, didn't show up. But these are lip liners, so we'll see. Okay, I feel like these colors are actually up my alley, and they retail for $28. We have Rosewood. Okay, She Creamy. Creamier than the eyeliners. Ooh, that is gonna be gorgeous for the fall. And I feel like this next liner will actually work really well with my lip duo. I have the Dose of Colors Stone Liquid Lip with the Lunar Beauty Lip Gloss in Starlight. My new favorite lip combo. Who knew a nudish pink lip like this would be my next go-to? So to spice up my current lip combo, I might try outlining it and then going in. But these felt pretty creamy, a lot creamier than them eyeliners were. So I have faith, and I really need creamy because I have really dry lips, so that's sometimes why I skip on lip liners. Of course, I wish they were retractable. That's just a preference, but luckily I have a sharpener that I keep on my vanity now that it's found. That way I can be able to use some of these pencil products. I feel like overall, this is actually a pretty solid Luxe. It's not my favorite Luxe that we have seen before. Compared to December's and March's Luxe, this is definitely a step up. And I have Variation 19. I knew I was gonna forget that. I looked down, I was like, oh crap, 19. I feel like the variations differ between which products that you choose in your categories. I believe the Lily Lashes mascara, that was a variation for category 1. And then category 2, you could get like a swell bottle, a pillowcase, so many other things. But I figured I would at least use whitening pens because that's something I at least need. I am very excited to be building up another giveaway pile. I think the products I'm actually really excited for, the oil being one, and not gonna lie, Miss KYLIE's skin. I have been very intrigued about her skincare line ever since it launched, and I finally get to try a product and I won't feel nearly as bad decluttering it because it came in a box and I didn't like go out of my way and spend like my own actual money. I'm not really surprised to see KYLIE's skin in here because she does do some hashtag ads of BOXYCHARM on her Instagram, so it's kind of nice that she is partnering with BOXYCHARM because I feel like a lot of people do want to try her product. I would love to know if you guys got BOXYCHARM Luxe for June 2020. What products did you get? Did we get the same exact products, or did you choose different choice items and you got a different variation than I did? And if you don't get Luxe, did you guys get premium or your base box? I know I'm looking forward to my other 3 BOXYCHARM boxes for June. Hopefully then we'll be able to do some try-on styles. I know you guys really enjoy the try-on style, so I am sorry about it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.